Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today exercise number 3.2. First question from the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. First part. 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So, first of all, let boys is equal to x and girls is equal to y. Case first, that total students are 10. 10 student means x plus y is equal to 10. That is the first equation. And then if the number of girls 4 more than the number of boys, so case second, x is equal to y minus 4, because that girls are more than the boys. 4 girls are more than the boys, right? Find the number of boys and girls took part. So first of all, you will draw a box for first part, that x, y. So here we will write 4, 5. Box is looking smaller. X, y, 4, 5. If you will place the 4, 5, then 4 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 4. So y is equal to 6. Similarly here, that will be 5. For second, x, y value we will write here 5, 6. So x is equal to 5 minus 4, 1, and then this will be 2. Now graph. Y axis, this is the x axis, the origin point, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because maximum 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that first, that will be 4, 6, 4 and 6, it means here, and then 5, 4, 5, 5, it means that will be here. And then for second equation, 1, 5, 1 and 5, and then 2, 6, 2, 6. Okay, we need to find that answer also. When you will be draw on the graph, you will be see the it means this point is a answer. This point is the answer, that 7 and 3. So girls is equal to 7 and boys is equal to 3. Boys is equal to 3. Okay, girls is equal to 7, boys is equal to सब रॉन्ग लग रहा है. Right now, question number or part number second. Part number second, 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whether 7 pencil 5 pens together cost is this one. So I am making the only let pencil cost is equal to x and pen cost is equal to y. So case first that will be 5x plus 7y. 5x plus 7y is equal to, that is 50. First equation. Case second 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. That second equation, and you will be solved like this, then your answer will be come, right? Now question number 2. For question number 2, you will be read the table number 3.4, page number 46. Page number 46. On comparing the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident, right? So that first part, A1 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to -4, C1 is equal to 8. Similarly, see here, A2 is equal to 7, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to -9. Okay. Now, A1 upon A2 is equal to 5 upon 7. B1 upon B2 is equal to -4 upon 6. Both are equal? No. So, A1 upon A2 not is equal to B1 upon B2. B1 upon B2. You can see in table, that is intersecting line. Intersecting line. If the A1 upon A2 is not is equal to B1 upon B2, in that case that is a intersecting line, or we can write the intersect at a point. So intersect at a point, right? You can do another also like this, okay? With the help of table. See one more part, because we have a space here, that A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 12, A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to 24. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 upon 18. B1 upon B2 is equal to 3 upon 6. C1 upon C2 is equal to 12 upon 24. It means 9 upon 18, 3 upon 6, 12 upon 24. All three are equal, because by the cancel 9 to 18, 3 to 12 to. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. If the all three are equal in that coincident line, that is a coincident. This is a coincident. Question number 3. On comparing the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If our equation is parallel, in that case this is the inconsistent, and in other two cases that will be consistent. Here I am taking only fifth part because it is given in a fraction. So first of all we will convert this one, that is a LCM is 3, So 4x plus 3 2 ja 6y is equal to 8. So 4x plus 6y is equal to 3 8 ja 24. So 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. And then second equation also we will convert. 3y is equal to 12. So 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to minus 24 by the equation first. And then a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to minus 12. Now that a1 upon a2 is equal to 4 upon 2, b1 upon b2 is equal to 6 upon 3, c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 24 upon minus 12. 4 upon 2, 6 upon 3, 24 upon 12. All three are equal? All three are equal because 4 2 ja, 3 2 ja, 12, 2 ja 24. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In that case, you can check the table also, that is constant line, it's not a parallel, so that is a consistent. Right? If here will be parallel, then in that case you will be write the inconsistent, otherwise you will be write consistent. So similarly you will be do first, second, third, fourth part easily, no problem is there. Question number 4. Which of the following pair of a linear equation are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. If there will be consistent, then we will be find the answer. If there will be inconsistent, it means parallel, then we will not find the value of xy. So first equation, x plus y is equal to 5, so that x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. And then for second equation, 2x plus 2 is equal to 10, so 2x, that will be 2, here is a y is left, that y minus 3y minus 2y, so 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So that a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to minus 10. So a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 upon 2, c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 5 upon minus 10. All three are equal, 5 to 10, all three are equal. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That is a consistent. That is a consistent. Consistent because it's not a parallel. Now we will find the answer also. For first equation, you will be make the box x, y. When you are placing here, that 3, 2, 3. 2, 3 is better value. If you will be place 2 plus y is equal to 5 by the equation of this one, first equation. So y is equal to 5 minus 2, that 3. Similarly, that will be 5 plus 3, 2. For the second equation, that will be also same. Same value we will write here, x, y, that 2, 3. Or you can take the another also value. So 2 multiply 2 plus 2y is equal to 10. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 4. So y is equal to 6 upon 2. 2 3 ja, that will be 3, and 3 2 ja 6. 6 that will be 2. Right? Now graph. That is the origin point, x-axis, y-axis, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then x is 2, then y is 3. Then x is 3, y is 2. Right it? That is a. And other part you can do easily, no problem will be there. Okay. Question number 5. Half the perimeter of rectangle garden whose length is 4 more than the its breadth. If 36 meter, find the dimension of the garden. So let length is equal to x, breadth is equal to y. So case first, x plus y is equal to 36. First equation. Because half of the perimeter. We know that 2 bracket L plus B is equal to perimeter. Now, case second, length is greater than breadth, 4 more. So y plus 4. That is a second equation. Now, we can find that answer putting x is equal to y plus 4 in equation first. So that will be y plus 4 plus y is equal to 36. So 2y is equal to 36 minus 4. So y is equal to 36 upon 2, 2 18 ja. So y is equal to 18, and then again putting y is equal to 18 in equation second, in this equation. So x is equal to 18 plus 4, so x is equal to 22. These two are the answers. Question number 6. Give the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed in intersecting line, parallel line and constant line. So first part is intersecting line. So that solution is, first equation is given there, x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So second equation we will write. It means intersecting means you know that you can see the table also. Where is the intersecting? Intersecting means that is a1 upon a2 is equal to not b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 not is equal to b1 upon b2. In that case we can write the any type of equation that will be, suppose you can write that 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Second part, that will be, what is there? Parallel line. Parallel lines. So that equation, first equation is this, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not is equal to c1 upon c2. By the table, that equation can be there, 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0, because these are the two equals, this is not equal. Here this one are not equal. For third part, that constant, so given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. We can suppose that equation 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. This is a supposition. So you can suppose any type of equation. Seventh question, seventh question will be, draw a graph of this equation, determine the coordinate of vertex triangle formed the line and the x-axis and set the triangle region. So first of all, that x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. By this equation, we will draw the graph. First of all, x is equal to y minus 1 from this first equation, and that 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So that 2y, we can leave it, 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x. So y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Now from the first equation, draw a box x, y. Here we can write the y value will write 2, 3. Then 1, 2 will come by the solution. Here also x, y. X value will write here 0, 2. So that will be 12 minus 0, 3 into 0. 3 into 0 upon 2, so 12 upon 2, 6 ja. That is 6. And then 2. So 12 minus 3 into 2 upon 2. So 12 minus 6 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 2, 3 ja. So that will be 3. Okay. From these two boxes you will be draw a graph. From these two you will be draw a graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because maximum value is 6. From first equation 1, 2, that 1 and 2. From second value 2, 3, 2, 3. Right? Now from second equation 0, 6, 0 and 6. And then 2, 3, 2 and 3, that. So this will be one line or this will be one. So this one is a. Now we will write the vertex of the triangle. Vertex of the triangle. That vertex of the triangle will be minus 1. That is a minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2. The minus 1, 0. This one. And then second will be 4, 0. That will be 4, 0. When you will be draw on the graph, then you will be see 4, 0 and then 2, 3. 2, 3. This triangle. Right it?